Welcome to Be Amplified, your spiritual oasis. Here you can rediscover your superpower of simply being. Our curated collection of meditations will take you on a journey back to your natural self, where beauty, wisdom, peace, and joy reside. Join our growing community by subscribing, and then give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments how we can best support you moving forward. Thanks for being here, and let's begin today's meditation. Welcome to this guided meditation to remote view your body for healing. So please come into a quiet and comfortable position. You can sit, or you may prefer to even lie down for this practice. And let your eyes come to close if you'd like. And making a connection with your breath. Breathing in nice and slowly. And then breathing out slowly. And repeating that a couple times as you start to settle in for today's meditation. And as you arrive here in the present moment, imagine yourself deeply rooted to the earth. Maybe in your mind's eye, you see yourself growing roots down into the earth. Or just even feeling your body resting into whatever is beneath you. Feeling your weight and feeling the support of the earth underneath you. Drawing upon its stability and its security. And with your body grounded and supported, begin to scan from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. Noticing your face, letting go of tension there, releasing your jaw. Relaxing your shoulders. Pausing for a moment with your attention upon your belly and just feeling the breath flowing in, creating some movement and expansion through your belly, and feeling your breath flow out, and allowing the belly and the contents of your belly to become soft. And then scan down into your hips and pelvis, feeling down into your legs and feet and letting them become a little bit heavier. And again, noticing your connection with the earth and that sense of being grounded, that sense of feeling stabilized and secure. And then just bring your attention back to the slow and steady flow of your breath. Letting the breath smooth out and slow down. and feeling how your breath, your body, and your awareness are all connected. And from this place of presence, set an intention for your remote viewing experience today. This could be focusing on a specific area of your body that needs healing, or maybe you'd like to address a general feeling of unease, or maybe you're just seeking insights into your overall well-being. Clarify an intention. Speak it silently to yourself. And then visualize a glowing light surrounding you, sealing your intention in and also allowing you to be protected and safe for your exploration today. And then take one last breath here, just breathing in slowly and deeply, and breathing out slowly and completely. And shifting your attention to your third eye space. And using your mind's eye, begin to visualize a large frame hanging on a wall out in front of you. And within this frame, see yourself just as you are in this moment, either sitting or lying down, wearing whatever it is that you're wearing, seeing your body positioned just as you truly are. And as you begin to come into focus within this frame, at first glance, what do you see? What do you feel? Is the image of you clear or foggy? Does one part of your body seem to really stand out to you? Maybe a certain feeling or sensation arises within you as you perceive yourself. Just notice what comes up for you at first glance. Now gently begin to scan your entire body from head to toes, just like we did when we were becoming centered for this practice today. Observing your energy field as you do so, and just noticing any areas that appear dull, discolored, or any areas that feel a sense of stagnation, stuckness, blockedness. Remain curious as you scan your body. Whatever you discover does not need to be fixed or changed in this moment. Just be open and curious and receptive to whatever comes through as you perceive yourself and scan your body. You may receive intuitive insights during this process, so pay attention to any thoughts that arise, any feelings or images that come to mind, and do so without judgment. Again, we want to be a witness right now to whatever we're perceiving and to stay curious, to stay open. Now let's bring healing energy into the body. During your scan, you may have discovered one area or many areas that feel a little dull, that are lacking in life force, or that seem to have stagnated energy. Choose one of these areas and bring your focus there. Really zoom in your attention upon that place. And as you do, let this part of you know that you're here with it, that it is not alone in this moment. And notice your breath as you become present with this part of you. And then ask this part of your body what it needs. Ask it if it has anything to share with you. If it has any information to give to you. And again, stay open and curious. Notice your breath flowing in and out. And then imagine a pure white light flowing into this area, cleansing this area, revitalizing it, and feeding it high-level life force energy, vibrant life force energy, energy that brings with it health and well-being. And know that this energy is intelligent. And so while you can direct it a little bit, it also will direct itself. It will move and flow through your body in such a way that brings about healing. Stay present, stay curious, stay open, and witness your body receiving the healing that it needs. And if it feels like that part of your body has received everything that it needs to receive, feel free to move on to another part of your body, continuing to witness and observe yourself receiving any healing it needs in this moment. And when this process feels complete to you, allow that white healing light to expand out, embracing not only the body that you see out in front of you through your mind's eye, but feel it embracing your actual physical body as well. And breath by breath, begin to shift back home inside your physical body, letting go of the vision of yourself through your mind's eye. Feel the rise and fall of the breath through your chest. Notice your belly expanding as you breathe in and relaxing as you breathe out. And take a moment to express any gratitude that you'd like for this healing experience that you just received. Silently thanking your body and your higher self and its wisdom, which really guided this entire session. Remote viewing is a personal journey that you can use for self-discovery and, of course, healing like you just did. There is no right or wrong way to experience it. Just trust your intuition and be open and curious to what arises within you. If you have time after this practice, grab your journal and write about your experience. Write down any insights you received, write down what you perceived, what areas you focused on for healing, and how you felt during the meditation, as well as after, how you feel now after receiving that healing experience. Feel free to bring a little wiggle to your fingers and toes, beginning to wake yourself back up for whatever is next. Let's take one last deep breath in through the nose and just sigh it out through an open mouth. Thanks for joining us for this practice. Have a beautiful rest of your day.